Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting like a human, not a marketer. Create a real Reddit account and post comments for at least a few weeks. Gain some karma and history. Once done, identify 5 to 10 relevant subreddits and read their rules. This saves rejected posts. Prepare 3 high-value assets you can link to: a guide, a tool, or a case study. Make sure each asset answers a common question or solves a problem. That's why people click and upvote. Begin by engaging. Spend time commenting, answering questions, and upvoting. Aim for about 10 meaningful interactions per day. Once you've built trust, create contextual posts that genuinely help. Include one link when it directly answers the question. Explain the benefit in plain language and quote the key part of your asset to avoid being removed. Make sure to vary wording and timing across subreddits. Track outcomes, score, comment count, and referral traffic so you know which approach earns backlinks and clicks. Finish by amplifying what worked. Cross-post top-performing content where allowed and boost visibility with follow-up comments that add value. Once posts gain traction, convert attention into sustained backlinks by mentioning your asset in helpful threads and updating your profile with a stable link. If a post is removed, don't panic. Check why, then adjust format or add more context. Message the moderator politely if needed. Make sure you learn from each removal. Iterate on wording and approach to avoid future moderation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.